¿Qué estamos haciendo hoy en el taller de TonnoFlip? Mira esto, mira qué belleza, mira. La F250, F250, guys, a TonnoFlip Shop. Look, hard tri-folding, aluminum panels, lifetime warranty. Mira esto, mira. 2 prop rocks, so you can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds. Puedes guiar con ella la autopista por ahí para abajo, con la tapa abierta, porque mira esto. Look. It sits completely flush on your bed. Aluminum panels with a lifetime warranty. And you know what? You can also step on it. It holds up to 500 pounds of weight. Let me get up here. Mira esto, mira. Look at this. Te puedes parar encima and nothing happens to it. Look. Also, let me show you what else we're doing here. Ya te la puedes llevar esa, chiqui. We are installing another tonneau cover here, hard tri-folding, en esta Tacoma 2016 al 2023, focos de Corolla. Mira, another TonnoFlip tonneau cover is going to be installed. Jeep Gladiator, hard tri-folding tonneau cover. We have seating here, finishing that installation. Let me see. Look, let me see seating. Look guys, how easy you can install this tonneau cover. Just with this knob, it attaches to the rail. Look. And then, si la quieres sacar, if you want to take it off, you just le sacas esto, unscrew them, and you just take it off. That's it, the rail stays on the bed. If you like pickup trucks, you need to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be uploading videos, tutorials, Spanish and English. And if you want to get the TonnoFlip products, we'll be launching the website in March 2026, en marzo del 2026, TonnoFlip.com.